All right, what's up?
He's going to be registering this Geely 450 in Virginia.
Yep.
And he's wondering just how much he's going to be paying in registration fees. Could the dealer DMV help with this?
Yeah, most definitely. That is exactly what they help with.
And here's the zip code.
I need an exact address. They're exact down to the address, and depending on what state you're in and where you live, there could be regional things with taxes and registration.
How are you? It's Jared. I'm using our website, and we're actually going to be able to figure out exactly how much the registration would be. What address would you be titling at? I don't know what the exact price of the vehicle is off the top of my head. I can get that for you. Like I told you on the phone, we just advertise our best price right up front, and it's just our worry-free price. So I can get that for you. I think the car's like $6,000 below MSRP. I can get that for you, no problem. Thank you, sir. Okay, so I have no idea what he said.
What do you mean?
He spelled it out, but I did not understand what he said, so hold on, I'll find it.
Do you have a deal created, or is this guy even in the CRM yet?
He's in the CRM.
And which car is he on? Is it the Geely 450 $100,000 car?
Yeah.
How do you be paying for it?
Cacholet.
I'm going to create a deal so that we can pull it in to dealer DMV right from there.
I'm thinking this is a vacationer.
Vacationer?
Mm-hmm.
What does that mean?
He might be traveling with the vehicle. That's what I'm starting to think now. Because when he called in, he said he was going to have us ship it to his home in New York. But then on the phone here, he says he's going to title it in his brother who lives in Virginia.
He might just be trying to get around paying a lot of sales tax.
Or is Virginia a hot vacation area?
Not really. I mean, I know what you're asking, but it's just half the taxes in New York. Cash price is $95,486. All right, I'm gonna pull this in. Michigan? No, not really. A very small one. Yeah, but it's not like a Ohio tax credit. You get like up to $600 or something.
It's still a tax credit.
Yeah, it is. He will deliver the information differently than.
Okay.
I just totally lost my train of
bad.
thought. No, it's all good. I just don't want him to.
Understood. I just won't talk to anybody anymore. Just go ask Jared. He has the answers for everything.
But I don't pretend to.
What? It's debatable.
It's just a regular Geely. All right, so Virginia registration, pretty inexpensive. So here you go. That's from dealer DMV. Title fee is $15. Registration fees $30.75. Now we still have our Ohio $50 convenience fee and all that, but just say the registration doesn't appear to be more than about $50. We would still collect $450 as a safety net and then refund the difference that we don't end up using. But that's what we would expect it to be. You can send them that just as a reference. You know, we collect $450 just in case the fees end up being a little bit different. That way we don't have to stop the titling process, but you'll expect to get a refund back for the difference. So did they have a Macan?
Yeah.
Did we look at it as an appraisal just to see if they have any equity?
And if it was a car, we could take on trade. It's a
Well,
lease.
We have a Porsche store, right?
So I should just take their car next door and see.
No, we'll take it next door or get a payoff from next door and we'll appraise it here. We need trades. I mean, I don't know if we'll be able to or not, but it's worth a look, right? In the meantime, you said you built it in here?
I did.
We don't need a deal in here. We need it in Roadster.
It's saved in there.
Okay, so you did a custom build?
Yeah.
And we just got to ship this car in.
And they have AAA. I want to go get the payout for the Porsche. I need the VIN from it.
Yeah, just get a little information off it. Let's see if we can make sense of it.
Miles and see if there's any.
Our TikTok friend here with the A-Class, how many miles are on his car?
I don't know. I can find out for it.
Because,
Why?
why do you think I would be asking?
Is he over miles?
Oh, I don't know.
Oh,
Well, first of all, yeah, we need to know.
he said he should be well under miles. That's why I was like, hopefully he didn't lie.
Come on, take a guess.
Did I not calculate enough miles on there?
What?
And the lease, the new lease?
No. Come, escuche. Escuche.
Oh, for appraisal purposes, for equity.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
His residual is super low. I mean, unless he wrecked this car, in which case he's going to have some excess wear and tear, he's probably got equity.
Huh.
And we can
Okay.
get a trade. Win-win.
Let's see.
Let's be the heroes. I'm going to pull his bill.
I didn't even think of an appraisal. I was like, oh, this is easy.
I know that we're at the point now where most expiring leases are like nowhere close.
Yeah.
And I don't care what anybody else tells you.
Yeah.
Especially if somebody tells you that, like, yeah, I'm way under miles. Let's just take a look, just in case, right? Now, I'm looking. He's got a very cheapy build,
Okay.
right? So it's, 17-inch wheels, premium pack, that's about it.
Okay.
But if it does in fact have low miles and it's not rough, then we might at the very least be able to break him out of it and we can then get a trade,
Okay.
right? And then he doesn't have to go through the process of turning it in. Based on his Carfax, he just had it in for service in January with about 29,000 miles on it. So
He was allotted how many?
41, so yeah, he's definitely under. So I'm gonna say maybe he's got 30K on it. So really, we just need to confirm.
You said 29.7.
Okay, perfect. Does he have both keys? Does he have replaced tires? And is there just any damage on the car?
2 keys, no dents, scratches. For tires, I'm pretty sure I've had them replaced once. About how long ago?
I'm pretty sure I've had them replaced means they've never been replaced.
Okay, so okay.
Nobody forgets paying for
Or
a set of
tires or brakes for
Yeah.
sure.
So I'm just gonna assume that we need to replace tires, and
Okay.
I'm just gonna put some basic bumper chips, the standard stuff.
Yeah.
But even still, I'm seeing $1,000 in equity. It'll be a little bit of money to ship the car back here, but net he's gonna end up. He's in New York, right?
PA.
So net 500 extra bucks for him.
You said at least 2 of them were replaced for tires. So should I just tell him
Yeah,
level?
just say, hey, we took a look at it, and we think that if it's as you described it, and you have both keys, we will buy this car off of you, and even shipping it back here, it'll give you an extra $500 of equity to put down towards the deal. So we'll save you an extra $500. And I'm gonna have to give you a hard time here quickly. I'm not gonna do this for you, Angela, because we gotta turn you into a ninja. Just because you're selling a ton of cars doesn't mean you get to be Jared.
Okay.
All right, his address and most of his information is not pulling over.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, I can look at it. After taking a look, you have some equity, even after shipping.
So we can get a pre-owned car for us and give you an extra $500 towards the deal.
And he doesn't have to do that inspection or anything for these turn in.
Yep, yeah, keep it as simple as possible. We'll just drop off your new car, pick up this one, and it'll just be $500 in equity towards the deal.
Okay.
All right?
Cool. I'll let him know.
Go ahead, Colin. We're coming to you live from BenzsandBowties studios.
Somebody called in from California.
One of your fans.
They watched the
Correct.
socials.
They
Awesome.
want
Love
the
it.
blue C63 cash.
I want them to have that.
They have a round number, and they've never bought a car to state. Basically, explain the process. Basically, explain how easy it is. She
We
said it's
will-
been fantastic so far. It's been a good experience. She's like, I'm glad I'm linked up with you. I said, great.
Did she call in or?
She put in a TikTok late.
Oh, so you didn't answer the phone?
No.
I was wondering, maybe Colin answered the phone today. How cool would that be? Yeah, these are a little tricky because there's good money on
San
the.
Jose told her she's about 13 grand flipped in the car.
What do you
It
mean?
looks like she's 20 grand flipped in the car.
I thought you said it was paid off.
No. 13 grand loss from when they bought it 10 weeks ago. Is
What'd
what
they
San
pay for
Jose
it?
told her.
What do they pay for it?
She didn't get that far. They just told her you're about $13,000 less than what you bought the car for. I'm seeing 20. It's a good build. It's Pinnacle driver assist. The car's in Cali. It's got 3,100 miles on it.
Yeah, I got it
Red.
at 58025.
Obviously, there's no fleet on C63s.
Yeah, so just run
I
with
have
that
delivery
trade
of $2 grand in there, so I'm going to need you to go to her Roadster. I do not remember the last name off the top of my head.
Colin, do they want it open or enclosed? That's the thing.
I need close for somebody.
Enclosed going.
Go open, ship the GLC back.
Is he pumped?
Yeah, this is like this.
$500 better than a poke in the eye.
This is true.
Right, that's
And he was already wondering about the inspection because he was curious, like if something came back on the inspection, if we could bill whatever they would charge him for into the deal. He said that should be fine, but he was just wondering. For the Roadster, I never updated that actually.
That's fine. I can handle that part of it.
I saved everything in Focus. I put his driver's license, birthday, insurance.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
All good.
It's all pulling over.
Cool.
Makes my life much easier. You're really humming along this month, huh?
I
Yeah?
I
You just in
needed
the groove,
it
or
after-
what's the deal?
A lot of it's kind of repeats, like the
Yeah?
last probably 4 repeats and referrals. So
Awesome.
2 of them are referrals, 2 repeats, and then I have another repeat tomorrow that also should be a deal. So
What do you think is making you get all these repeat customers? Are you following up with them, or is it just like kind of random? And you can be honest.
some of them are random. Probably 3 of 4 were random. Just people saying, "Hey, this guy is looking for a car,"
That's
or
good.
"Hey, I totaled my car." They're mostly reaching out to me, but I've got a couple leases expiring that I'm working as well.
Good deal.
Yes, sir.
Let's keep it going. You're going like a car a day right now, so
Yeah.
that's a good pace to be on.
6 in the last 2 days.
Yeah, this week's been bananas.
Yeah.
All right,
All
good
right,
deal.
thank you.